Baking soda for cosmetic and health purposes. It is a chemical compound known as bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate. Uses and benefits of baking soda includes the following. Make a toothpaste. A solution made from a mixture of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide can be used as an alternative to commercial non-fluoride kinds of toothpaste. You can also just dip your toothbrush with toothpaste into baking soda for an extra boost. Freshen your mouth. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half a glass of water, swish, spit, and rinse. Odors are neutralized and not just covered up. Soak oral appliances, like retainers, mouthpieces, and dentures, in a solution of 2 teaspoons baking soda dissolved in a glass or small bowl of warm water. Baking soda loosens food particles and neutralizes odors to keep appliances fresh. You can also brush appliances clean using baking soda. Use as a facial scrub and body exfoliate. Give yourself an invigorating facial and body scrub. Make a paste of 3-part baking soda and 1 part water. Rub in a gentle circular motion to exfoliate the skin. Skip harsh deodorant. Pat baking soda onto your underarms to neutralize body odor. Use as an antacid. Baking soda is a safe and effective antacid to relieve heartburn, sour stomach, and acid indigestion. Treat insect bites and itchy skin. For insect bites, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply as salve onto the affected area. To ease the itch, shake some baking soda into your hand and rub it into damp skin after bath or shower. Make a hand cleanser and softener. And neutralize odors on hands with a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Gently scrub away dirt or 3 parts baking soda to gentle liquid hand soap. Keep your hair shiny and healthy. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda into your palm along with your favorite shampoo and finish off with apple cider vinegar. Rinse baking soda help remove the residue that styling products leave behind so your hair is cleaner and more manageable. Polish your teeth. Many people use baking soda as a natural toothpaste. There is some concern, however, that baking soda can be too abrasive for everyday use, very effective for teeth whitening and polishing. Do this every few weeks for a boost. Make your own deodorant. Just sprinkle on baking soda as a natural deodorant. Gently exfoliate to get rid of dead skin. Mix 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Rub gently in a circular motion and then rinse clean. Relieve skin irritation. Add a cup of baking soda to bath water to soften your skin and relieve skin irritations, relieve heartburn and more. Baking soda is a safe antacid. Relieve diaper rash. Put 2 tablespoons of baking soda in your baby's bathwater to help relieve rashes. Pamper your feet. Soaking your feet in a baking soda solution will help soothe and soften tired feet. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda into a small tub of warm water and soak. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.